A common thing that I hear is that a woman has had a complete hysterectomy or a partial hysterectomy, leaving the ovaries, and was not offered hormone replacement at that time. And so what happens is pretty much, if it's a full hysterectomy, instant menopause. And so you go from one day you have hormones, the next day not so much, which does not feel good. So ovaries, uterus provide estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. There are some other organs that make trace amounts of these things, but not a whole lot. So if one day you are producing estrogen like crazy and the next day you are not, you're going to notice pretty quickly that you just don't feel the same. So you're going to have difficulties with sleep, difficulties with brain fog. Your skin's going to get drier. You're going to have hot flashes and night sweats. And you might notice that you're a little bit more irritable than you used to be. So hormones after hysterectomy is just one of the things that supports you in healthy aging, in healthy living, in being who you are. We just don't do well without sex hormones. We don't do well without hormones at all. And there's over 200 of them. There's vitamin D, there's thyroid, there's insulin, so many, and we need them all. But specifically after hysterectomy, you definitely want to get some hormones. You want to feel like yourself, and we are happy to help you with that.